Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I like to explain how series circuits work and how to analyze them using voltage, current, and resistance as discussed in the previous videos. As a general rule, the theory behind how series circuits work is that the current is the same regardless of where you are, but the voltage drop is different at different points, and so is the resistance. Although the current being the same exact through a series circuit may be surprising at first, it might make sense from a common sense perspective if you know that when you build multiple pipes in a row, like in a plumbing system, the overall current of water flowing throughout the whole system is the same regardless of what exact pipe you're looking at. So the same thing should hold true for electrical circuits wired in series. So if we were given a schematic of a specific series circuit, we would have to know voltage and resistance ahead of time, usually by measuring them in order to calculate the current. And usually, the source of the voltage clearly gives you the exact amount, like in 12-volt batteries. And the amount of resistance is usually clearly given to you too, as most simple circuits have resistors that have a specific color code to indicate how much resistance they are designed to have. So for example, in this circuit, we can calculate current by dividing the total voltage by the total resistance, which would be a simple sum of all the individual resistances, and then figure out the voltage drop across each resistor individually by multiplying the total current by the resistance of the resistor. It is often a good idea to make a spreadsheet/table of the voltage, current, and resistance across each part of the circuit like this, in order to keep your work organized. Although, as mentioned earlier, many real-life electronic components are more complicated than having a simple resistance, we can use the series circuit laws for very simple circuits with very simple resistors, like from car headlights or light bulbs. And so we can now discontinue talking about series circuits and talk about the other common basic circuit, a parallel circuit, where the components are wired parallel to one another rather than in one path, as suggested in the title. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.